Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I easily decorated my water closet, which is just a small bathroom with a toilet in it. And I'm also going to tell you about my new website, which is a home decor marketplace. It's somewhat of a combination of an Amazon and a Mercari for home decor. So let me show you what I've done in the bathroom first and tell you what I did and where everything came from, how much everything cost, because it was really cost effective. And then at the end of the video, stay tuned so I can tell you about the website where you can really get some great deals. Okay, guys, so I'm going to take you through what I did to decorate this water closet. I think that is the official name for the toilet room off of the master bathroom. So basically, I'm just going to let you kind of look at what I've done, but I'm going to tell you my thought process in doing this. The first thing I did was I installed some shelves. At the end of the video, I'll show you what it looked like before. I'll insert a little bit of footage of what it looked like before. But I installed these two shelves. Now, the reason why I did that is it allows me to display some decor, which will give the space some identity, and it also provides a space for storage. If I wanted to, I have some cotton balls, some Q-tips, I have some spray, different things that you might want to store in here. That gives you the opportunity to do that. These shelves I DIY'd. They are 7 inches deep by 34 inches wide. Now I just went to Lowe's, bought the wood, had them cut it, and then I brought it home and painted it with some white paint. And then I also bought the brackets. And if you're interested in the brackets or what paint I use and all that, I'll have it in the description. The other option is if you don't have time to DIY shelves, you can purchase them already painted and everything from Lowe's or Home Depot or Amazon, or I even see shelves in Ross sometimes. It is not expensive. You don't have to get solid wood shelves if you don't want to. It's going to be a lot less expensive if you don't get the solid wood. So that's your option. Now the wallpaper in the back, that's just going to give the room a little bit more something interesting to look at, a little bit more dimension. The wallpaper I did purchase at Lowe's. I only bought one roll. Normally the roll is I think it's normally $40 for that one roll. But the particular day I was in there, it was on sale I believe it was on sale for $27. So that's all I used to put that wallpaper in the back. The next thing is, you got these two walls. It's pretty closed in there. So what I did was I basically put in a toilet paper storage, and then I just put a vase, something that is basically an equal height on either side of the toilet is what I did right there. So that's why that's working. Everything on the shelves are either from Burlington or Ross. The canisters right there, they're from HOMEGOODS. The hello sign is from Burlington. I believe it was $6. The flowers, it is from Ross, and I believe that was $8.99. Just showing you the depth of the shelf. It's 7 inches deep, so it's substantial. Now the last thing I'm going to tell you about is the mirror. So because this room is so closed in, you want to put some kind of decorative mirror above your shelves. I know some people put wall art, but I prefer to put a mirror because it reflects light and it makes the room look a little bit bigger. So the mirror that I have up there, that beautiful gold mirror, that is from Ross, and I've had it for a while, and I believe it was only $40. It was only $40. So guys, it's really easy. I know a lot of people ask about what to do with this room, and a lot of people have this room in their homes. So this is my interpretation of what to do. There's several different ways you could decorate the room. I mean, you have to be in there, so why not make it nice, right? So guys, the next thing, if you have any questions about anything that you've seen in the video, I will just let me know and I'll answer it in the comments. But I will put the link to the brackets, and I think that's the only thing I really can link because everything else on the shelves came from Ross or Burlington. The vase, that gold vase on the floor, is from Burlington. Okay guys, so let me show you my new website. This website is a home decor sort of Amazon. So this is where the idea is right now I am selling my home decor that I want to let go of on the site. But if you want to sell home decor, I also have engaged with other influencers who will be also adding their items to this site. You can add new things. You can add things that are slightly used. The idea is just to have a solid site where we can go for affordable home decor items. So everything that I have posted on there, I will be running a sale starting tomorrow. With everything on here is going to be 50% off. Right now, the prices that you see, because I'm going to put the link in the description box. Go and click on the link and check out the website on all the things that I'm selling. But whatever price you see tonight, it will be 50% off starting tomorrow. So don't buy anything tonight. If you see anything that you're interested in, go ahead and wait until tomorrow because everything will be 50% off. So guys, check out the website. I'm excited about it. I think it's something that's really needed in the home decor space. So let me know what you think. Thank you for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one.